are you? Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm going to launch my first session. That I told you yesterday that it's my first session. I'm discovering the legends, the speaker that they are translating Hindi into English. Why and how are they speaking in English? I'm going to launch my 150 days sessions that it will give you the perfections and the very intellectual knowledge that you will gain. You will collect from my videos. So I'm going to tell you. Again, these first sessions, I'm going to tell you the 10 regions. Why do the people not speaking in English? Why are they learning in English is a better, but when they are trying to speak in English, they are condemned. They are criticized by the people. Why? So I'm telling you the first regions. The first reason is that the people speak in English, but they get blank. Why? So this is the regions. Most of the people are not speaking English. They get ashamed and they are slutty. And when they are trying to speak in English, if they try to speak in their native language, so they are not frustrated and they are not hesitant. But when they try to speak in English, they are feeling ashamed and hesitant, and even they are thinking that Hindi is a major means language that to learn in English. But I am not saying that when you are trying to speak in English you have to learn all the English words, and I'm not saying that you learn all dictionary words means sophistications and but it tries a level best. You have to be very practical and very innocent. These two categories will be determined how to speak and how to be control your own success rate, because speaking is like native language and American language is a different. So if I talk about the American language, American accents, they are very different. So I'm telling you the first thing that why do we get blank. So first and the thing that we have to indulge, we have to improve. Don't understand Hindi when you are speaking. Speak in English language. If you are speaking crackings, if you are speaking misunderstanding, and if they don't understand you, don't underestimate the power of your knowledge, because you have seen the movie don't that the Chennai, don't underestimate the power of a common man. So everybody think that they are common man, but common man can speak, they can translate everything in English. So try to learn only English, okay? And this is my first answer. And second, I'm telling you about second thing. People speak that they speak that, sir, we want to learn in English, but the confidence and the confidence and the aura that we cannot gain. So the gaining is the different part, but indulging in the simple and very simple steps, not too big steps. Don't take too big steps. But people misunderstands that the speaker are means speaker speaking in a very different language, and they are speaking in a very exhausted and very different kind of phenomena. But this is not the case in my speaking. When I was telling about my these two cases, it was different. And the third one, that I am unable to speak English fast. Why do you speak English fluently? I am saying don't speak English fluently, but be very emotional and emotive, and try to speak your content, because content speaks majorly. And when you are speaking in English in front of anybody else, they will understand. If you are speaking faster, but if but without content, how can you elaborate? How can you try to means understand that I am a good learner? So don't try to be fast. Be content wise and smart and clever in English, okay? The fourth questions arise in my mind, and the people says about the failed business, financial debt, and no job, no money, sir, and why we should create English video on YouTube. So this is the funny question that I arised in front of some people, that they were. But speaking is not a part of YouTube. I'm saying that you need to cover all the syllabus. You need to cover your channel and make videos. Don't understand first and second, don't understand that they will judge you on your language, because speakers even they are human being, and they can make mistakes. Even in my videos you will see that there are a lot of incorrect word that I'm speaking, but nothing else. I'm going to speak it in a better way, and means I'm going to tell you if you are sometime incorrect. So incorrect, it means not in a grammar. Incorrect means in hesitance, in a worthy sense. You are not speaking in a worthy sense. You are not looking decent. So it's an incorrect sense in my point of view. I am going to speak English in a very accurate way, and grammatically I don't make any mistakes. 99% my speaking will be good. Okay. Most of the peoples are speaking, it's my fifth question that I raised. Most of the people think that success is only shortcut, so I tell you them that success is not a shortcut. You have to undergo a change, and you have to be very practical, ambitious, and very means learning skills every time. You learn everything in a possible manner. And when I was indulging in a speaking skills, I was having some kind of problems in my life. But I told you in my foundations video that I was having some kind of problems when I was not speaking English. But when I grow up, I try to speak. I did not bother from the other persons. They were mocking, and they were uninterested to speak in English with me, and they were not saying that how can you speak in English. But I said, without accent we can speak in English, because we are Indian speaking is very good. They are very intellectuals. Why do we copy to the Americans their accents? English speakers are very good. They are well versed. And if I talk about the literatures, English literatures, even they are very well established, and they are getting success rate, and they are selling their books. So success is not about to copy the person. The success, in my point of view, understand yourself much better than the other people, and try to elaborate, try to interchange your knowledge, means speak with other people, try to intermingle, and try to cooperate each other, means to recognize yourself, self esteem. Because there are the 5 and 6 words I use to speak in much better way, and I speak in a louder way. That self esteem, you have to give the knowledge to yourself, give importance to yourself. So success will get enhanced, success will get the lightning. Because we are weakeners, we are weaker in sections of speaking. And but I'm trying to elaborate myself that we should not understand weaker in English is a language that we have to learn. Every time we cannot speak much, and even the faster learner is not good. So try to speak in a good manner, and try to improve your English, and much and in a very more positive way. Okay. And the sixth point I'm saying to you, some people say, so we are mother tongue problem, we have mother tongue problem, we speak in Hindi, so it's a much better way. But when we are speaking and when we are narrating our English, so we have to translate Hindi into English. But it's a questions, and it's a major problem of most of the Hindi viewers, and it called English. So I am avoiding this kind of mistakes, and I'm trying to elaborate. Stop thinking in English. Try to speak. If you are trying a little bit, you will get disconnections and distractions from your own voice. And when I was having some kind of problem in my mind that it was having, so I try to speak in front of mirror. So even mirror plays a big role, because it tells you what you are, and it gives you the simple and lookings and your indulgence in speaking. So try to speak in English. Try to email yourself. Email means inner voice. Try to understand everything that you are, and stop translating your mother tongue. Okay, it's a questions. Some time people say, it's my seventh question, that would you like to know your future? Yeah, we can recall that future is a better, and in English future is great. Okay. When I was means in a 12th standard, I scored 83 marks in my English. So my father says that in economics I get 88, in English 83, and in mathematics I was not at all good. But I said that my father name is Kirshan, and he says to me that boy, what will you do after it? Even my speaking was not good at that point of time. I said to my father, further I will go for literature, because in literature I will speak and I will learn how to speak in English, because I'm a native, and there will be students that they will give me knowledge about, and I will get the knowledge of English from where the English comes. And I thought about Shakespeare and Wordsworth, and even I learned the old English words. So it was a problem for everyone that they want to know the English. So when I told about means somebody guided me that Shakespeare has a problems in English, but why should we think that he copied 1000 books and he is evenly occupied in the space in the globally, and he is the best poet right now. So I suggest you that you can copy the English from everyone and try to speak in your own language. So know the future is here in English. And if I try to speak about Wordsworth and the Milton, they are very well versed, and they are talking about the Indian poets, and they are talking about the geographical and the congregations, and about poetical dictions of many things. So English is having a future for everyone. So I am trying to connect with you that you need to speak in English. Okay. The eighth question: the girls should be financially independent. Girls should be given equal rights of speaking. Yeah, in post era, when I was having the literature, so there was a problem that the girls were not given the rights to speak, and even they were not they were not giving the chance to go outside of the home. Why? So when they were trying to speak in English, so they were not giving equal opportunity. The equal mockery should be on the boys. But why? Why the boys are different from the girls? They are born in a same in the same veg, and they the mother is the same. So why do they get differentiations from the our society? So we think about the society, and girls should be having the equal rights of speaking. So girls are saying, sir, why should we having such kind of typical worse things that people say about us? So I thought that we should not recall, we should understand the importance of our mothers, our girls, and our means our sisters, that they are equal, and Indian constitution has given them rights and educations. And okay, so I will make other videos on the girls and how to the indulgence. But I'm telling you the 9 points: the never stop believing in yourself. So stop the other, and try to indulge in your own language, that try to speak in your own language. And English is a major thing that we have to indulge, we have to be very practical. And the last point, that I don't feel confidence in public. This was question that I come together. I come across many people are saying that, sir, we are not good, and we are not speaking publicly. And when we try to speak in public, and they try to means coherent, they try to kill our knowledge. So I am saying to them, don't be very impolite, be very confident, and little by little you will speak. Okay. So I think that you liked my videos, and I wanted it subscribe my videos, I will get updated to you. And thank you. Bye bye.